Hi, we're Joel and Lia.
And welcome back to our accent series where we react to American accents that we've never heard before.
You guys absolutely loved the last video we did. I think we reacted to a Kansas accent, a Boston accent, and a Louisiana accent. And what have we got this time?
Today we've got New York, Alabama, and
Minnesota.
That's
it.
So we're really excited to listen to these accents because we have, I think we've been to New York, but we didn't speak to that many locals.
No.
So I'm excited to hear what YouTube videos has got to offer us.
Well, let's start with New York. Like you said though, because we've been to New York, I feel like I've read things about New Yorkers. If someone classes themselves as a New Yorker, it's because they have moved to New York, so they're a New Yorker. Whereas Londoner means if you were born in London. So no one would really say, oh, like we would never say, I know you don't live there anymore, but we would never say I'm a Londoner.
I definitely did.
Really?
For years I was like, yeah, I'm a Londoner, because I lived there and I thought if you live there, you're a Londoner.
Well, apparently that's very New York.
So wrong.
Because New Yorkers are like anyone who's chosen to live there, whereas a Londoner is someone who's born and bred in London.
I mean, yeah, I definitely would be like born in Warwickshire, but I'm a Londoner now. Yeah, I got it wrong, guys.
Well,
anyway.
Embrace it. If you want to be a Londoner, you identify however you want to identify.
9 years a Londoner. Okay.
Right.
Who have we got first?
So this is a video called The Dad with the Strongest New York Accent. So let's listen to this.
Apparently this video is from TikTok, so bound to be funny.
4.5 million views. Gosh.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Water.
Water.
Dog.
Dog.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Forget about it.
Perfect, perfect.
What's that?
Calamari, like the squid.
You mean galamar?
Yes. All right.
Talking without hands. What do you mean?
Talking without hands, like talk without your hands.
So my son sent me some words and he wants me to say them again. Here goes. Water. Coffee. Forget about it. Hey, I'm walking here. New York.
New York.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. What's this word?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh, okay, I can say that. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That's so cool. I mean, we were saying in our other video that we weren't sure how different the New York accent was to the Boston accent.
Yes. Because
they say coffee kind of similar, I swear. I swear like Boston is more like coffee.
And his is more like
coffee.
His had like a W in it. Called CWOFF.
Coffee.
I really liked that. He was really fun as well as a character.
Yeah, definitely.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Yeah, that was really good.
Hey, I'm walking here. Walking. I love it.
That was really good.
So I'd say that's one of the most distinctive American accents there is.
Yeah, I feel like loads of films have characters with that kind of accent. So we don't know if it's legit or if you're just like, oh, they're just playing up to the camera.
Yeah, we have no idea. Are there actually people that sound like this? And are you one of those people that sound like this? Let us know in the comments.
Are you one of them?
Are you one of them? Let us in on the secret. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, then please don't forget to subscribe. We know so many of you are watching and you haven't clicked subscribe.
Sad. Subscribe for 5 years of good luck.
There we go. Did you fall for it?
I heard someone say it, so I started saying it. Subscribe for 5 years of good luck right now.
Come on.
And if you click the notification bell, you go to heaven.
There you go. I like telling people, I've never done it, but I just like being, as if you're a teacher, like, come on, press it. Come on.
Press it.
Right,
that's funny.
Let's move on to, so this is South Alabama versus Northern Alabama.
Okay, so we're going on two sides of the coin right here.
They probably will sound the same to our British ears, but let's have a listen. They look like mother-daughter, don't they?
They a bit do, yeah.
Don't know if they are.
Alabama, the LA stands for Lower Alabama.
Lower Alabama.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to be Higher Alabama.
Okay. All right.
Okay, and this is Lindsay McKenzie, and that's her real name.
Lindsay McKenzie, and that's her real name. I love it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think you could get any more southern than Louisiana, and I think we've just done it.
This is amazing.
This is so good.
She's amazing. I love the competitiveness of the opening where she's like, if she's lower, I'm gonna be higher.
Yeah.
It's like everyone's one-upping each other.
This is amazing.
From a cultural perspective. Come on then, Lindsay.
Okay. So Nick, we've skipped ahead to 20 seconds because there was an intro.
They did a montage. It was hysterical.
Hey y'all, this is True Southern Accent, and this will be called Northern Southern Accent.
North Alabama.
North Alabama Southern Accent.
They're so loud,
They're very,
aren't they?
I think because they're on a main road filming, but also they are just shouting at the camera, and I feel like they need to calm down.
Well, when I did have an American accent coach ages ago, that she was saying that Americans in general, you can hear them, they're much louder because of the sound you make in your mouth. Like ours is quite tight and together, so the sound doesn't reverberate, whereas American, like, the cavity in your mouth is a lot bigger.
So they just got massive mouths?
Well, they just make more room because we hardly open our mouths when we talk.
Yeah, no, hardly.
Whereas Americans are like, they talk like that. Especially from Alabama.
No, that just finished me off.
Nah,
because basically they talk like that. You're basically trying to be like really sophisticated and be like, you know, there's more space and the cavity in the mouth, and I'm like, what do you mean?
This is what happens when you don't have a wide vocabulary, so you just end up offending a whole nation of people. It wasn't meant in an offensive way, it was just an observation that I've heard from a professional, that they're louder. Americans tend to be louder than British people because we never really open our mouths very much.
Right.
But this lady seems to open her mouth a lot.
Quite a lot. Come on then, darling.
Right.
Let's see what else you've got.
I love this accent so much.
With Southern Alabama.
South Alabama.
South Alabama.
We like to call it slower Alabama.
Yeah, LA.
Slower.
So,
Slower. So I got that wrong from the beginning.
No. They did say lower, but she was just like, we like to call it slower because we speak slower.
But we're still loud.
Yeah, she's farted again.
Really? Sorry. Joel's dog has farted again.
I forget that every video of this setup is going to be like Ava's farting.
That's the next running joke.
Maybe someone will piece together all of the Ava farting bits. Ava farting compilation. Anyway.
LA,
We can put on
which
face
in the
masks.
South or in Alabama, LA stands for Lower Alabama.
Lower Alabama.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to be higher Alabama.
Right, they did say
All
that.
right.
Okay, and this is Lindsay McKenzie, and that's her real name.
My first name's Mary, but just don't call me Mary.
Mary.
Mackenzie or Mary Lindsay, never just Mary.
Never just Mary.
Okay, never just Mary.
It sounds like, obviously, this is said with the greatest respect because we're not making fun of an Alabama accent. We love it.
Yeah.
But it sounds almost like a cartoon character. I don't think I've ever, in person, met someone with an accent that strong.
No.
And I love it. I would love to be Lindsay McKenzie's friend and just sit opposite her and just listen to her talk all day.
I'd love to be Lindsay McKenzie and send you a voice memo.
That would be so
notes.
good.
Like, hi Joel, it's me Lindsay. I'm just gonna go Trader Joe's.
Oh my gosh. If anyone knows, I'm going to follow this lady. She's called True Southern Accent. She's only got 1,500 subscribers.
She's got a new subscriber now from Joel Lia.
Joel Lia subscribed. I might watch some of hers because she sounds great. Both her and Lindsay just sound amazing.
They sound fantastic.
Yeah.
And also, like you say, Joel, I don't think I know anyone with an accent that strong in real life.
No, I don't think I do. I've only heard like generic like accents.
Yeah.
Like, not generic. What are they? Someone in our video commented, Joel, the word you're looking for is neutral.
Neutral.
That's it. Neutral accent.
Neutral is the word you're looking for.
Thank you.
I mean, I want to hear a bit more of them.
Yeah, do you want to keep going?
Time?
Yeah, we've got time. Oops.
Oh,
unsubscribe. No.
I've noticed that.
Yeah.
If you subscribe to someone and then press the space bar, it thinks you want to unsubscribe.
Yeah, so don't do that on our channel. Seriously.
And you're from?
I'm from Clark County, Alabama. So it's a small
Which is kind
town.
of close to Mississippi.
It's kind of Mississippi-ish, but it's more towards Mobile, Alabama.
Okay, north of Mobile.
Yes.
You need to be closer than here.
I don't think so. I don't know.
Okay, just talking about where they're from. Let's skip ahead a little bit.
Let's skip ahead to
206.
What do you call a carbonated drink? Coke.
Coke. It's so funny because our impression of a general American accent would be like Coke.
Yeah.
But they say Coke.
Yeah.
Like British people.
Yeah, it sounds quite English, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
Coke.
I say Coke.
Let's listen to her say it again. Let's
Coke.
rewind.
It's such a strange...
Coke.
It's like she turned into someone from like Manchester.
I know.
Coke.
Coke.
Sorry, that was Liverpool.
I say Coke.
She's like, I say Coke.
That's why I think it's fascinating because it sounds almost, someone from the UK.
That's weird, isn't it? Love that. Right, well, that was quite a good accent. I did enjoy that quite a lot.
That was good.
Those two are good fun.
They are.
And can't wait to watch more videos of theirs, not filmed on a street corner.
Yeah. Right, let's go on to the Minnesota accent.
Right, don't know nothing about this.
I listen to two podcasters that are from Minnesota, and I sometimes hear them say words that I'm like, that's really interesting. That must be a Minnesotan thing.
Okay.
I can't think of
Any
an
memory?
example.
Okay, no worries.
I think it's the A sounds, where they're like, bag, bag. I don't know. You guys comment down below. What is the Minnesotan A? Because I feel like it's very distinctive.
We might find out in this video, so let's give it a watch.
Give it a watch.
This chap who looks like he's on a green screen. Don't know why. I love a green screen. I just think it's quite funny.
Stunning.
He's clearly not there.
Accents, as you tend to say, mountain, fountain, Layton.
Mountain, fountain.
So, but in Minnesota,
Minnesota?
A lot of it is the long O. So Minnesota and
Soda.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Also, a lot of them, depending how, if they're native to the state of Minnesota, any word ending with AG, such as bag or tag, will have a long A attached to it. So it's big.
Big.
Maybe that's what I heard.
Sounds like big.
Told us that.
B-I-G. Big.
Big.
She said it was, sorry, others had been a snake in the plan. It took a while to catch that one.
A what?
A snake.
A snake?
And that's why I
snake.
said, New Prague, even though in theory it would be Prague because of Prague, Czechoslovakia.
Prague instead of Prague.
One that I've said a few times since being home, just because I think it's a
home,
but it's the word ufta.
Ufta.
You only hear
is that a fart?
They have to be pretty native Minnesota.
Sorry, I just
say that,
snorted.
but it's a Scandinavian term equivalent of like holy smokes, like ufta, it's cold, or
Ufta.
Ufta, it's cold.
It's pretty hot out here, things like that. So I heard that a couple times. I mentioned too was the term ufta, which is
He doesn't move his mouth that much.
He doesn't.
Compared to Alabama.
Yeah, Alabama was like their mouths were open, whereas he's very like.
He's not. His lips are quite like that.
Yeah.
Like in the nicest way possible.
Yeah.
His mouth isn't moving as much as, and he's quieter.
He is a bit quieter. Minnesotans are quiet people, I think.
He said big.
Big.
Instead of bag.
Like the start of bagel.
Big.
Big. Did they say bag instead of bag? Let us know in the comments, because I'm sure I've never heard that, but maybe, I mean, I'll take his word for it, because he's from Minnesota, not me.
Yeah. So I was just thinking about something I read on Instagram about the Spice Girls.
Oh yeah, Space Girls.
Space Girls?
Space Ghettos.
Space Ghettos.
Yeah.
If you're English and you're watching this, or British, say Space Ghettos with a Scottish accent.
No, with an American accent.
With an American accent, in order to sound Scottish.
Space Ghettos.
That's insane. It just is on the topic of...
Space Ghettos.
Space Ghettos.
It sounds like you're saying Spice Girls in Scottish.
Space Girls. Space
Ghettos. Space Ghettos.
That's
how
amazing.
Scottish people say Spice Girls.
Anyway, that's completely unrelated to all three of those Australian, American accents, but one's mind does wonder.
Yeah, one's mind does.
Like the time,
Oh my gosh, I've loved this episode.
I mean, it's really good.
Yeah.
Can we have a bit more of him? Any more of him?
A bit more? Okay.
I mean, he might come out with some more rules. He's got about 20 seconds left.
Okay.
It is there. So, the funny one is, I got used to hearing the words bake and take, but then when they would include the long A in words that have multiple syllables, so like one person thought how I needed new glasses. He's like, my glasses need some new magnifiers.
Magnifiers. That's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Let me just tell her off. No. I think she's fighting her new bed.
Really?
I'll let you free.
Don't play with this, darling.
Ah.
I knew she was going to go for it.
Ava, off.
She was going to go for the hoodie that she seems to love.
Ava.
Oh, I'm not playing, not playing. It's because whenever I move my arm, she just thinks I'm playing.
Yeah, she thinks you're playing.
But I'm not a player.
You're not a player.
Just sit still like Joel.
Players don't play. There you go. Right.
Okay, so that was so much fun watching those accent videos. I really loved that.
I love them all. I couldn't say which one's my favourite, although you guys know I have a soft spot for any Southern accent. But I really like the New York one as well. I thought that was really nice.
Fun. I'd love to watch more of those two ladies from Alabama, because I just feel like there's an underlying like competitive nature with people from the South. They're like, I'm better than you. Yeah. No, I'm better than you.
I'm lower. I'm higher.
I don't know why, it just tickles me.
It's so good. No, I really liked it. Let us know if you guys enjoyed it. And please give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell as well as subscribe button. Subscribe and notify yourself. That's it. It's that way round. I don't know why I said notify first.
Notification and subscribe. Yeah, it was that way round.
That way round. Not, I don't know why I said it that way round. Subscribe first and then click the notification bell. Don't forget, we post videos every single week. You've also got the Joel Wood channel, Leah Hatzaki's channel. Go check out the two Brits. Those two Brits channels. Those two Brits. We tour the UK and we just bring you really cool, entertaining videos about the UK. So go check that out as well if you're interested. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.